Welcome to Matsuura. We have two factories where we produce our high-quality machines. Large and prototype machines are built in the headquarters. Small and mid-sized machines are assembled in our Takefu factory. Both factories are in the Fukui prefecture. There are manufacturing companies who have their factories in countries where labor costs are low. However, in such countries, human resource mobility is high and the craftsmanship cannot be passed on. This is essential in building Matsuura's premium machine tools. Fukui, rich in nature, also has many hard-working residents. Thanks to this culture, our traditional craftsmanship is a core technology of our manufacturing today. Craftsmanship is a key to extended unmanned operation and high accuracy. Join me on a brief factory tour where I can show you more of our professional assembly. Parts that should be installed straight are to be done as straight as possible, and that should be installed perpendicular are to be done as perpendicular as possible. This is our manufacturing motto. For instance, our straightness on a linear guide is within 2 microns full stroke. If we use the function of the controller, positional compensation is easily done by software. However, unless mechanical straightness is assured, every machine move causes a stress on the machine. Eventually, the accuracy cannot be maintained. Skilled artisans invest the greatest attention to detail, ensuring Matsuura's machines have reliable accuracy and longevity. In addition, we do hand scraping to the contact surfaces for minor adjustment. For example, we tilt the column slightly backward. When we position a head to the column leans forward due to the weight. However, this deformation is cancelled by careful offset we make. To achieve this mechanical flatness, we hand scrape every necessary component one by one. About further detail of hand scraping, please let Matsuura explain.
In assembly, we hand scrape certain surfaces of critical parts to make larger contacts for increasing vibration damping, then geometrically align, install parts, and continue to assemble. In the end, the total machine accuracy consists of accumulation of these detailed processes. As a result, machines are built with minimal stress. The less stress, the longer machine lasts. It is our hidden great care in building long-life machines.
Thank you, Katsu. We can also see our craftsmanship in spindle assembly. You are looking at a Class 1000 clean room where Matsuura original spindles are built. When we construct spindles, it is very important to fit the tolerance of bearings. In micron scale, there is no identical component in terms of tolerance. To deal with this subtle difference, we carefully measure tolerance of every single bearing and shaft. Based on many years of know-how, we select the precise match so that the assembled spindle has the best accuracy. With the greatest attention to detail, our machines are assembled and carefully inspected. We do the actual test cuts on the ordered machine upon the customer's visit. We cut the test piece and show the result of inspection right away. We can proudly do this because we are confident in our professional manufacturing. How did you enjoy the factory tour? The final accuracy depends on our attention to detail. Our unmatched commitment to manufacturing facilitates extended unmanned operation with high precision. This brief video is only a small portion of our assembly factory. Please come and see our factory and our craftsmanship with your own eyes. We always welcome your visit.